everybody, my name is Jennifer Schreiber and I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker. If you're anything like me, you may not have finished off your Christmas shopping list so far. Here's an idea. Go out, brave the cold weather, check out our open houses this weekend. Who knows, maybe Santa Claus will help you finish off that Christmas shopping list and bring you the ultimate present, a new home. Okay, I'll try to make it happen. Don't mind the awkward moments over here.
Do you want to sing?
Not even a little. I gotta get something.
No, you should try it.
Figured out. You just want the bloopers.
I do.
It's only getting colder, people. Get out there now.
Oh, yeah.
My name is Jennifer Schreiber, realtor with Coldwell Banker. Think too much and just
Feel it.
may not have finished off that Christmas list. Try again. And that. So it's okay.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
Stop your mouth. Are you serious?
I was totally